What's up, Click 2 Rich Fam? It's your boy Robbie back with another exciting video. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and money-making tips. Today, we're diving into something truly groundbreaking, AI Calm. You've probably heard the buzz about it, and guess what? We've got an exclusive demo video coming right up to show you how it works. But before we jump into that, let me give you a quick overview of what AICom is all about. It's the world's first AI online store builder that can create a fully functional and search engine-optimized online store in less than 60 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 60 seconds. AICom is like your personal shortcut to e-commerce success. You can say goodbye to those time-consuming product tests, ad costs, and fulfillment hassles. AICom takes care of it all, leaving you with just one job, collecting those payments. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's watch this demo video of AICom in action. It's going to blow your mind.